Today's topic for discussion is types of symptoms which are caused by plant pathogenic nematodes. The nematodal parasites are widely present in soil. They are also present in fresh water and marine water. Nematodes are only plant parasites which belong to the animal kingdom. There are several hundred species of nematodes which attack plants as a parasite and causes variety of diseases. Let us see which type of symptoms are caused by the nematodal pathogen. There are a number of species of nematodal pathogenic organisms which infect the underground part of the plant. The nematodes are present in soil which causes various types of diseases of plants. Thousands of species obtain food from plants as parasite. And let us see which type of symptoms are caused by the nematodes. The symptoms which are caused by nematodes, they are ear cockle, root knot, root lesion, root rots, excessive branching of the root, galls and tumors, chlorosis, tip burn, Tundu, root pruning, Molaya. All these are the different types of symptoms which are caused by the parasitic nematodes, plant parasitic nematodes. Let us discuss each one. Root knot, which is a type of symptom which is caused by a nematode. What is root knot? In this case, the soil-borne pathogenic nematodes feed on root system of the host plant. The nematode includes some secretion into the host cells which stimulates cell division. As a result, a small knot-like structure is developed and indirectly it affects the growth of the plant. Root knot nematodes are cosmopolitan in occurrence, which has a broad spectrum of host range. Root knot diseases of crop plants affected the total yield of the crop. There are the most prominent and easily recognizable symptoms. Root knot symptoms are characterized by formation of small outgrowths on root system of certain vegetables due to infection of soil-borne nematodal pathogens. Okay. Root knot diseases are very common in several types of vegetables. Next. Another type of symptom, that is ear cockle. The ear cockle symptoms are caused by a nematodal pathogen in case of wheat, and the nematodal pathogenic organism is Angunia triticea. In this case, the seed in the main site of the infection, the nematode infects only to the seeds, and infected seed may have galls on the nematodal on the wall of the seed, and the symptoms develop on all parts of the plant except root system. Affected plants remain stunted. Leaves show typical symptoms which get rolled or twisted. The twisted leaf sometimes trap the new emerging leaf or inflorescence. Stems enlarge at the basal region. Infected heads become thick and short. Grains show galls and are filled by nematodal larvae. Most of the grains in the infected head get replaced by nematodal galls. These symptoms are termed as ear cockle symptom. The affected plants remain stunted and mostly show twisting in entire plant. Twisting of the entire plant takes place. And the leaf blades split off twice or many times. The leaves of infected plant get twisted and stems show extra enlargement near the soil surface. The infected ear remains shorter and thicker. A dark black gall is formed at the place of the grain. Only one or few of the grains are transformed into nematodal galls in the ear. This type of symptoms occur in the wheat, and which is because of the Angunia triticea, name of the pathogen, and the disease is known as ear cockle, and ear cockle, it is a type of symptom. Okay. Next, root lesions. Another type of symptom, that is root lesions. Lesions means it is a spot. Okay. In this case, the soil-borne nematode causes root lesions or root spots on the root, and initially a small water-soaked spot is developed on the root surface, and later on that turns light to dark brown in color. Such brown to black spots are developed on the younger roots, And in severe cases, many spots get mixed and they form a large size lesion and entire root system get invaded. The lesions vary in size and shape. The lesions are probably caused due to the toxic substances secreted by the pathogenic nematodes. The root lesion causing nematodes are Podophilus. It is the name of nematode which causes root lesions in several types of plants. Next, root rots. It is a type of symptom caused by the nematodal pathogen. The soil-borne pathogenic nematode feed on the root of plant. Due to feeding, a wound is developed. Through the wound, several saprophytic fungi and bacteria enters the root, causing rot symptoms of varying degree. Okay, growth retardation, yellowing of leaves, dwarfness of affected plant. All these are the symptoms occurs in the affected plant. And the root rot of banana, it is caused by nematodal pathogen which is known as Rhadophilus similis. Okay, this is the name of the pathogen which is a nematode. Okay, next type of symptom which is caused by nematodal pathogen, that is excessive branching of the root. In certain pathogenic nematodes insert toxic substances into the root cells during feeding process. These toxic substances include stimulates the root system, and several lateral branches are developed, and many lateral branches arise from the root because of the nematodal injury. And such branching, excessive branching of the root, it is a type of symptom which is caused by nematodal pathogen, and which is known as, the name of the symptom is excessive branching of the roots. Okay, another type of symptom which is caused by nematodal pathogen, that is galls and tumors. The galls is developed by fast multiplication of affected cell. The galls are formed on the leaves, stem, fruits or inflorescence. The galls are globose or elongated or irregular, large-sized outgrowth which are formed on the infected plant part. Example is clubroot disease of the crucifer, which is caused by a nematode. Okay, and crown gall disease of plant, it is a bacterial pathogen. And clubroot rot disease of crucifer, it is a nematodal disease. Okay, next, another type of symptom which are caused by nematodal pathogen, that is chlorosis. Chlorosis, it is the yellowing of the leaves. Yellowing of leaves occurs because of the disturbances of the chlorophyll in the leaf, and the reduced functioning of chlorophyll result into various kind of chlorosis. And the chlorosis may be due to mineral deficiency, viral deficiency, wilt or any other agencies. But chlorosis also caused due to the infection of the nematodal pathogen. Okay, next pathogen, tip-borne. The soil-borne plant pathogenic nematode enters the host plant by making hole into the root system. Because of degradation of ground tissue of the root, the tips of the root hairs get dried. The growing tips or twigs initially fed up and then turns yellowish. In severe cases of infection, growing tips of the twig get dried. Such type of symptoms are termed as tip-borne symptoms. Okay, next, another type of symptom which is caused by nematodal pathogen, that is Tundu. In the Tundu, it is a symptom, and in this case what happens, the seedlings of wheat or rice are highly favorable for the pathogenic nematodal attack. The nematode causes Tundu disease is Angunia tritici. It is the name of the pathogenic organism, that is nematodal pathogenic organism. The typical symptoms appear mainly on the ear. The infected ear secrete yellow colored liquid. The leaves of infected plants show parallel yellow streaks along the veins. There is no grain formation in the ear. The leaves fed up. The infected plant becomes dwarf. Small chlorotic lesions develop on the fruit. Such symptoms are termed as Tundu or ear rot. Example, that is wheat, Tundu disease of wheat and rice. Okay, next, another type of symptom which are caused by nematodal pathogen, that is the root pruning. The root pruning is the symptom in which there are no root tips to the affected plant. In certain nematodal diseases of plants, the root tips are affected, plant get faded by nematodal pathogen. It is also termed as, such type of symptoms are also described as root pruning or root tip necrosis. Okay, next, another type of symptom which is caused by nematodal pathogen in the plant, that is Molaya. Infected plants remain stunted in this case, and plants have stiffer, thinner and narrower leaf blades than the healthy leaves, and tillering is greatly reduced. Clumps become thinner and weaker. Early emergence of flower and formation of few grains in the ear takes place. Growing points of roots get killed. Such type of symptoms are termed as Molaya. It is caused by pathogenic nematode. The name of the nematode is Heterodora venu in barley. Okay, this is all about these are all about all the these are the types of symptoms which are caused by nematodal pathogen. Okay, thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.